elevator at this hotel in Madrid. I forget what it's called. And there's 3 different call buttons. That call button specifically calls that elevator. This call button calls one of these 2. That one specifically calls this one. It's bizarre. But the middle one actually has slightly different buttons. I think this one's slightly bigger. That's why it has a separate call station. So disabled folks in wheelchairs can get on it with no issue. 7. The other elevator doesn't come up here. This is Muralto Hotel.
Planta menos 1.
Stop in one floor, up ahead of it.
Bajando.
All right then.
Planta menos 2. Subiendo.
I'll make those fixtures. You can kind of see the floors passing, but not really. Here's the panel. I like these buttons, they're cool.
Bajando.
I don't know what this is, but it's here. That's it.